Welcome to BarEl Software. In a moment, I'll demonstrate how to use location factor rating method in making location decisions. This tool is just very similar to the competitive profile matrix. Please watch and listen attentively. Let us say location is Mzuzu. This location where we are deciding where this business or project should go. So this can be used in making location decisions for projects, activities, businesses. It's very much useful in making environmental assessments. Let us maybe for this organization we want an area with a good environment, a good air environment. The name of the organization is Papa. In terms of air environment in Mzuzu, rating, let us say, is 5. That is the best. Highest. Weight 0.07. Let's say 0.7. Mzuzu. Availability of fresh water and power. Heading 0.8. Karonga. Area environment. This is feeling weight. You can say that total value, total score is 9.6, but we're making a comparison where to go. Should it be Mzuzu or Karonga? Now, let us have a look at the reports. You can see that for basis for this goes for the overall. Let us have a look at the other report. Let us see. Zuzu as is 7.5. That was from Zuzu. Let us see. Karonga 3.7. This this report is for filtering for organizations, projects, or activities. And you can see that the best place to go is just because it has a rating of 7 and above, while Karong has about 3. And if there are so many locations, you can use the strategy or strategic behavioral factor graph, though it's only limited this one to 6 locations. Thank you very much for watching and listening attentively.